Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's evening. As you all know, how many of you know the topic of today's discussion? Okay. So those who don't know, you can read it. Your wife can make you rich. Now, how many of you, it was the invitation given by your wives? Because what happened, जब हम लोग ने इसकी प्रोग्राम की अरेंजमेंट स्टार्ट की थी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्ट किया था, ऑर्गेनाइज करना स्टार्ट किया था, तभी वी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स गॉट मैसेजेस फ्रॉम मेनी ऑफ द फीमेल पार्टिसिपेंट्स एक्चुअली सेइंग व्हाई नॉट यू कॉल और व्हाई नॉट यू सेंड दिस मैसेज टू माय हस्बैंड, ताकि वो लोग भी आ जाएंगे. Or they wanted their husbands to come. So I just wanted to know how many of you have been pushed or pulled by your wives to come to this program. Okay, so we will start the evening very soon. Before we start, I would like to tell you something about Sparkans. Now, most of you might be thinking about what exactly Sparkans is, why is Sparkans here, and how do they come into picture. Now, Sparkans is the group who has organized this event. And Sparkans is actually a group of BNI, and they are a group of trainers of different fields. They are into training in various fields. Now, let me welcome the group leader or the captain of Sparkans to come here and to introduce about all the Sparkans and what they exactly do, so that you get a sense of what exactly their work is, how do they operate in Mumbai. So you will get some more details about it. So let me welcome Mr. Vineet Bansode to please come on the stage. Can you please clap for him?
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. I said good evening, everyone. Yeah, thank you so much. My name is Vineet Bansode, and we are presenting Sparkans as a group to you. We started Sparkans in association with, we met in BNI, so we are a proud member of BNI. We are 6 different people coming from different training backgrounds, and this initiative is actually to help people accept or understand the importance of training in success. And since we all are associated with training, we want to create a series of seminars throughout the year. So every month or every twice a month, we'll have a session or a seminar where an eminent personality will be coming and sharing his life story, and from whom we'll be getting a lot of information and will get inspired and motivated and things like that. To introduce myself, my name is Vineet Bansode. I'm a graphologist. Graphology means handwriting and signature analysis. By looking at the signature or the handwriting, we can find out 300 things about a person, and we take workshops on this. I would also like to introduce my team, and they will introduce themselves.
Thank you, Vineet. My name is Biju Nair. I'm a proud member of BNI and a proud member of Sparkans. Taking over from what Vineet has said about training, we all are a group of trainers. I once heard somebody saying that take a glass of water, add sugar to it, and start having it. Will the water taste sweet? Answer is no. Okay, let me not ask you to guess. It will only taste sweet if you start stirring it. We'll have to stir it. Only then the sugar dissolves and it starts tasting sweet. Similarly, there is so much of information around us which is useful to us, but unless and until it is brought into the foreground, it doesn't have any relevance. So what I'm trying to say is the significance of training is like the job of a stirrer. If we have to absorb knowledge, you need to have a good amount of training. As Vineet said, he conducts training on graphology. I run a school which is a beauty training. I'm into the business of creating professionals who becomes hairdressers, cosmetologists, and clinical aesthetics. My students work in advanced spas, beauty clinics, therapy centers, and so on. Now, we have a team of interesting people as well. I'll not take too much of your time because we should let the guest of honor speak a little more. I would introduce my friend Anil Karta to speak a few words. Thank you.
Thank you, Biju. Very warm good evening to all of you. I am Anil Karta from English Bowl. It's an academy for spoken English, and we specialize in teaching English in just 3 days. It's a fast world, fast food, fast traveling, fast communication. So it's very important that the learning too has to be fast. and the results have to be fast, and the demonstration of the results also have to be fast. So it's a very specialized course. It's a different course that's just being conducted in Mulund right now, and very soon we are going to spread across Mumbai. Again, I won't take much of your time, and I would like to introduce Jayesh, my partner in BNI as well as in my business. Thank you.
Thank you, Anil. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jayesh M. Dakre. I'm a founder and director of Born Arts Academy. Born Arts Academy is a school of art and craft for school students and college of art and craft for adults and youngsters. I'm in research, training, research and development of art education all over Mumbai city, where my role is developing youngsters, their capability to develop their business skills as a teacher, as well as I develop new curriculum which has not done before in India. We have our own university where we have an examination board in the field of art and craft, which is the way you say the fashion designing and textile designers and web designers. So all the designers we are creating through our institutes. Here, my role with Sparkins, and I'm proud member of BNI. Thank you today with the Sparkins and Rajesh Athaide. So many things we are going to listen which is helpful for our future. Thank you so much. I'm inviting Rajesh Khamkar is my another buddy. Thanks.
Thank you, Jayesh. Sorry. Let me introduce myself. I'm Rajesh. I'm Rajesh from Winners Life Training Company Private Limited. And as the name suggests, it's a complete life training. We train right from the kids. We have something like a secrets of memory. We have for women like parenting workshop and super mom workshop. We have leadership development program for the upcoming entrepreneur. But our specialization lies in the subconscious mind training, where we believe like whatever we are doing at the present is just conscious mind, that is just only 10%. And if we start working on the unused part of the brain, that is as high as 90%, we can multiply whatever we are doing at this moment by 9. So imagine you can upgrade your potential. So we work on the subconscious mind, and we have our workshops where we work specially on meditation. So please let me welcome all of you and just hand it over.